Oracle Fusion Talent Management Online Training. Introduction to Oracle Fusion Talent Management. In the world of human resources, HR, attracting, retaining, and developing top talent is crucial for any organization's success. Oracle Fusion Talent Management, part of Oracle Fusion Cloud HCM, steps in to address these needs by providing a comprehensive suite of tools that manage the entire talent life cycle. Quick rundown of what Oracle Fusion Talent Management can do for your organization. Attract and hire top talent. Streamline the recruitment process by delivering a positive candidate experience. Onboard new hires smoothly. Provide a structured onboarding program to integrate new hires effectively. Manage performance and compensation. Set goals, track performance, and offer competitive compensation packages. Develop employee skills. Personalize learning experiences with AI-powered recommendations and collaborative tools. Support career growth. Help employees identify career paths and create development plans to achieve their goals. Plan for the future. Facilitate succession planning to ensure a smooth transition when key employees move on. What is Oracle Fusion Talent Management? Oracle Fusion Talent Management is a comprehensive suite of cloud-based human resource management software solutions offered by Oracle Corporation. It encompasses various modules designed to help organizations effectively manage their talent acquisition, development, and retention processes. Key features of Oracle Fusion Talent Management typically include talent acquisition. This module helps organizations attract and hire the right talent by streamlining recruitment processes, managing job requisitions, and facilitating candidate sourcing, screening, and selection. Performance management. This module enables organizations to set performance goals, conduct performance appraisals, provide feedback to employees, and track performance metrics to align individual goals with organizational objectives. Goal management. Goal management functionality allows organizations to define and track goals at individual, team, and organizational levels, ensuring alignment with overall business objectives. Career development. This module supports employees in their career growth by providing tools for self-assessment, career planning, skill development, and training opportunities. Succession planning. Succession planning functionality helps organizations identify and develop high-potential employees for key leadership positions, ensuring continuity and effectiveness in leadership transitions. Learning management. This module facilitates the creation, delivery, and tracking of employee training and development programs, supporting continuous learning and skill enhancement. Talent review. Talent review functionality enables organizations to assess and analyze their talent pool, identify top performers, high-potential employees, and areas for development, and make data-driven decisions to optimize talent strategies. Workforce planning. Workforce planning tools help organizations forecast future talent needs, analyze workforce demographics, and develop strategies to address gaps and ensure workforce readiness. Why implement Oracle Fusion Talent Management? Unified Talent Management Solution. Oracle Fusion Talent Management provides a comprehensive suite of tools and functionalities to manage various aspects of talent management, including recruiting, performance management, learning and development, succession planning, and compensation management. Having all these functions integrated into one platform can streamline processes and improve efficiency. Improved recruitment and onboarding. the system helps in attracting top talent by providing robust recruitment capabilities such as applicant tracking, social sourcing, and candidate relationship management. It also facilitates smooth onboarding processes, ensuring new hires are quickly assimilated into the organization. Enhanced performance management. Oracle Fusion Talent Management enables organizations to set clear goals, track employee performance, provide feedback, and conduct performance evaluations efficiently. This can lead to better alignment between individual and organizational goals and improved employee performance. Learning and development. The platform offers tools for creating and delivering personalized learning experiences to employees, allowing them to acquire new skills and knowledge necessary for their roles and career growth. This focus on continuous learning can increase employee engagement and retention. Succession planning and career development. Oracle Fusion Talent Management helps identify high-potential employees and groom them for future leadership roles through succession planning initiatives. It also supports career development by providing visibility into career paths, skill gaps, and opportunities for advancement, which can increase employee motivation and loyalty. Data-driven decision-making. The system provides analytics and reporting capabilities that enable organizations to gain insights into their talent pool, identify trends, and make informed decisions related to workforce planning, performance management, and talent development strategies. How does Oracle Fusion Talent Management enhance HR processes? Oracle Fusion Talent Management is a comprehensive suite of applications designed to streamline and enhance various HR processes related to talent acquisition, development, and retention. Here's how it enhances HR processes. Unified platform. Oracle Fusion Talent Management provides a unified platform for all talent-related activities, including recruitment, performance management, learning and development, career planning, and succession management. This integration eliminates the need for disparate systems and allows for seamless data flow across different HR functions. Recruitment and onboarding. The system facilitates the recruitment process by enabling recruiters to source, screen, and hire candidates more efficiently. It offers features such as job posting, candidate tracking, interview scheduling, and onboarding workflows, ensuring a smooth transition from candidate selection to employee integration. Performance management. Oracle Fusion Talent Management automates performance appraisal processes, allowing managers and employees to set goals, track progress, provide feedback, and conduct evaluations in a timely manner. It supports continuous feedback and coaching, fostering a culture of performance excellence within the organization. Learning and development. The platform offers tools for creating, delivering, and tracking learning initiatives tailored to employees' development needs. It includes features such as course management, competency assessments, certification tracking, and personalized learning paths, empowering employees to enhance their skills and knowledge continuously. Career development. Oracle Fusion Talent Management helps employees identify career opportunities within the organization by mapping their skills, experiences, and aspirations to available roles. It enables managers to provide career guidance and development opportunities, increasing employee engagement and retention. Succession planning. The system facilitates succession planning by identifying high-potential employees and creating talent pools for key positions. It allows organizations to assess readiness and potential gaps in leadership succession, ensuring a smooth transition during organizational changes or workforce transitions. Analytics and insights. Oracle Fusion Talent Management provides robust analytics and reporting capabilities, allowing HR professionals to gain actionable insights into workforce trends, performance metrics, talent gaps, and succession risks. These insights enable data-driven decision-making and strategic workforce planning. What are the benefits of using Oracle Fusion Talent Management? Oracle Fusion Talent Management offers several benefits to organizations. Comprehensive Talent Management Suite. Oracle Fusion Talent Management provides a comprehensive suite of tools and functionalities to manage various aspects of talent management, including recruiting, performance management, learning and development, career development, succession planning, and workforce analytics. Integrated platform. It integrates seamlessly with other Oracle Fusion applications, such as Human Capital Management, HCM, enabling organizations to manage their entire talent life cycle from recruitment to retirement on a single platform. This integration reduces data silos and improves data accuracy and consistency across different talent management processes. Enhanced recruiting and onboarding. With Oracle Fusion Talent Management, organizations can streamline their recruiting processes, attract top talent, and onboard new employees efficiently. The platform offers features such as candidate sourcing, applicant tracking, interview management, and automated onboarding workflows. Performance management. Oracle Fusion Talent Management enables organizations to establish clear performance objectives, track employee performance against these objectives, conduct regular performance reviews, and provide feedback and coaching to employees. This helps in aligning individual goals with organizational objectives and driving performance improvements. Learning and development. The platform supports employee learning and development initiatives by providing tools for creating and delivering training programs, tracking employee learning progress, and assessing learning outcomes. This enables organizations to develop the skills and competencies needed to support business growth and innovation. What industries benefit most from Oracle Fusion Talent Management? Oracle Fusion Talent Management, a part of Oracle's suite of cloud-based applications, is designed to help organizations manage various aspects of their talent life cycle, including recruitment, performance management, learning and development, and workforce planning. While it can benefit organizations across various industries, some industries may find it particularly advantageous due to their specific needs and challenges. Technology. Tech companies often have a high demand for skilled talent and face intense competition for top performers. Oracle Fusion Talent Management can help them streamline recruitment processes, identify and nurture top talent, and align workforce planning with business objectives. Finance. In the finance sector, where regulatory compliance and risk management are critical, Oracle Fusion Talent Management can assist in ensuring that employees receive appropriate training and certifications, tracking performance against regulatory requirements, and succession planning for key roles. Healthcare. Healthcare organizations can use Oracle Fusion Talent Management to manage complex staffing requirements, ensure compliance with healthcare regulations, and develop specialized training programs for healthcare professionals. Manufacturing. Manufacturing companies often have diverse workforce needs, ranging from skilled labor on the factory floor to specialized engineering and management roles. Oracle Fusion Talent Management can help in managing this diverse workforce, identifying skill gaps, and succession planning for leadership roles. Retail. In the retail industry, Where customer service and employee engagement are crucial for success, Oracle Fusion Talent Management can assist in recruiting and retaining top talent, providing ongoing training and development, and aligning employee goals with business objectives. Hospitality organizations can use Oracle Fusion Talent Management to manage seasonal staffing needs, provide training and development for frontline staff, and ensure compliance with industry regulations and standards. How does Oracle Fusion Talent Management improve employee engagement? Oracle Fusion Talent Management offers several features and functionalities that can enhance employee engagement within an organization. Performance management. Fusion Talent Management provides tools for setting goals, tracking progress, and providing feedback. When employees have clear goals and receive regular feedback on their performance, they are more engaged and motivated to excel. Career development. The platform facilitates career development by helping employees identify their strengths, areas for improvement, and career aspirations. With access to training resources and development opportunities, employees feel supported in their professional growth, leading to higher engagement levels. Succession planning. By identifying and nurturing talent within the organization, Fusion Talent Management enables succession planning. When employees see opportunities for advancement and recognize that their contributions are valued, they are more likely to remain engaged and committed to their roles. Collaboration and social recognition. Fusion Talent Management includes features for social recognition and collaboration, such as peer-to-peer recognition and social learning communities. When employees feel appreciated by their peers and have opportunities to collaborate and learn from one another, they are more engaged and connected to their colleagues and the organization as a whole. Data-driven insights. The platform leverages data analytics to provide insights into employee engagement, performance trends, and talent gaps. By using data to inform decision-making and identify areas for improvement, organizations can take proactive steps to enhance employee engagement and satisfaction. What are the challenges in implementing Oracle Fusion Talent Management? Implementing Oracle Fusion Talent Management can present several challenges, including complexity. Oracle Fusion Talent Management is a comprehensive suite with multiple modules, including performance management, talent review, goal management, and succession planning. The complexity of integrating these modules seamlessly into existing systems and processes can be a challenge. Customization. While Oracle Fusion offers a wide range of functionalities out of the box, organizations often require customization to align with their specific needs and processes. Customization efforts can be time-consuming and require skilled resources. Data migration. Migrating data from legacy systems to Oracle Fusion Talent Management can be complex, especially ensuring data accuracy, consistency, and integrity throughout the process. Data mapping, cleansing, and transformation are critical steps that require careful planning and execution. Change management. Implementing Oracle Fusion Talent Management involves significant changes to existing processes, workflows, and organizational culture. Resistance to change from employees, managers, and stakeholders can impede successful implementation. Integration. Integrating Oracle Fusion Talent Management with other enterprise systems such as HRIS, payroll, and ERP systems is crucial for seamless data flow and process automation. However, ensuring smooth integration often requires technical expertise and coordination with multiple teams. User adoption. Training employees and managers on how to use Oracle Fusion Talent Management effectively is essential for maximizing its benefits. Poor user adoption can undermine the success of the implementation and result in underutilization of the system. Maintenance and support. After implementation, ongoing maintenance, support, and upgrades are necessary to ensure the system remains up to date and aligned with evolving business needs. Adequate resources and support mechanisms must be in place to address issues and updates promptly. How does Oracle Fusion Talent Management impact recruitment processes? Oracle Fusion Talent Management impacts recruitment processes in several significant ways. Streamlined recruitment process. Fusion Talent Management provides a comprehensive platform for managing the entire recruitment life cycle. It streamlines processes such as job posting, candidate sourcing, application tracking, interviewing, and hiring. This streamlining can lead to faster recruitment cycles and improved efficiency. Enhance candidate experience. The system often includes features that improve the candidate experience, such as easy-to-use career portals, personalized communication, and transparent application tracking. This can help attract top talent and improve employer branding. Data-driven decision-making. Fusion Talent Management collects and analyzes recruitment data, providing insights into recruitment trends, candidate demographics, hiring effectiveness, and more. This data-driven approach enables HR professionals to make informed decisions to optimize recruitment strategies and improve hiring outcomes. Collaboration and communication. The platform facilitates collaboration and communication among hiring managers, recruiters, and other stakeholders involved in the recruitment process. Features such as shared calendars, candidate evaluation tools, and centralized communication channels help ensure that everyone is aligned and informed throughout the hiring process. Integration with HR systems. Fusion Talent Management seamlessly integrates with other HR systems, such as payroll, performance management, and learning management systems. This integration ensures data consistency across different HR functions and eliminates the need for manual data entry, reducing administrative burden and potential errors. Scalability and flexibility. Oracle Fusion Talent Management is designed to scale with the organization's needs, whether it's a small business expanding its workforce or a large enterprise with complex recruitment requirements. The system offers flexibility to customize workflows, processes, and candidate evaluation criteria to suit specific organizational needs and industry requirements. What training and support options are available for Oracle Fusion Talent Management? Oracle Fusion Talent Management offers various training and support options to help users effectively utilize the platform. Here are some common options. Oracle University. Oracle provides comprehensive training programs through Oracle University. These programs cover various aspects of Oracle Fusion Talent Management, including implementation, configuration, and usage. Training can be instructor-led, virtual, or self-paced, catering to different learning preferences. Documentation. Oracle offers extensive documentation for Fusion Talent Management, including user guides, implementation guides, and administration guides. These resources provide step-by-step instructions, best practices, and troubleshooting tips for different functionalities within the application. Online learning resources. Oracle provides access to online learning resources such as webinars, tutorials, and video demonstrations. These resources are designed to supplement formal training programs and help users deepen their understanding of Fusion talent management. Community forums and support portals. Oracle maintains community forums and support portals where users can ask questions, share experiences, and seek assistance from Oracle experts and other users. These platforms provide a valuable resource for troubleshooting issues, exchanging ideas, and staying updated on the latest developments. Consulting services. For organizations requiring personalized assistance with implementation, configuration, or optimization of Fusion talent management, Oracle offers consulting services through its network of certified partners. These consultants can provide expert guidance tailored to the specific needs and objectives of the organization. Customer support. Oracle provides comprehensive customer support services to assist users with technical issues, product inquiries, and troubleshooting. Support options may include phone support, email support, and online ticketing systems, depending on the level of service purchased. How does Oracle Fusion Talent Management address diversity and inclusion? Oracle Fusion Talent Management incorporates features and strategies aimed at promoting diversity and inclusion within organizations. Here are some ways it addresses these crucial aspects. Diverse talent acquisition. Fusion Talent Management provides tools and features for attracting and recruiting diverse talent pools. This includes job posting capabilities that can be tailored to reach a wide range of candidates, as well as integrations with job boards and social media platforms to ensure job postings reach diverse audiences. Bias reduction in hiring. The platform may incorporate features designed to reduce unconscious bias in the hiring process. This could include anonymizing candidate information during the initial screening process, using structured interview templates, and providing training to hiring managers on bias awareness. Inclusive performance management. Fusion Talent Management offers performance management tools that can help organizations ensure fair and equitable evaluations of employees. This may include features for setting clear performance objectives, providing ongoing feedback, and conducting unbiased performance reviews. Diversity analytics. The platform likely includes robust analytics capabilities that enable organizations to track diversity metrics across various stages of the employee life cycle. This data can help identify areas where diversity and inclusion efforts may be falling short and inform targeted interventions. Employee resource groups, ERGs, support. Fusion Talent Management may facilitate the creation and management of employee resource groups, ERGs, or similar affinity groups. These groups provide a platform for employees from diverse backgrounds to connect, share experiences, and advocate for inclusion within the organization. Diversity training and education. The platform may offer features for delivering diversity and inclusion training to employees at all levels of the organization. This could include interactive e-learning modules, live training sessions, and resources for promoting cultural competency. Inclusive talent development. Fusion Talent Management likely includes features for identifying and nurturing talent from diverse backgrounds. This could involve personalized learning and development plans, mentorship programs, and succession planning processes that prioritize diversity and inclusion. Understanding performance management in Oracle Fusion Talent Management. Performance management in Oracle Fusion Talent Management is a comprehensive process designed to align employee goals with organizational objectives, evaluate individual performance, and foster continuous development and improvement. Here's an overview of how it typically works. Goal setting. The process begins with setting clear and measurable goals for employees. These goals should be aligned with the overall objectives of the organization. Goals can be set collaboratively between managers and employees, ensuring that they are realistic and achievable. Performance evaluation. Throughout the performance period, managers and employees can track progress towards goals. This may involve regular check-ins, performance reviews, and feedback sessions. Oracle Fusion Talent Management provides tools for managers to document performance, provide feedback, and assess employee contributions. Feedback and coaching. Continuous feedback and coaching are essential components of performance management. Oracle Fusion Talent Management facilitates ongoing communication between managers and employees, allowing for real-time feedback and coaching to address performance issues and support development. Performance reviews. At the end of the performance period, formal performance reviews are conducted using Oracle Fusion Talent Management tools. These reviews provide a comprehensive assessment of employee performance, including strengths, areas for improvement, and development opportunities. Development planning. Based on the performance review, employees and managers can create development plans to address skill gaps, capitalize on strengths, and support career growth. Oracle Fusion Talent Management helps in identifying training opportunities, mentoring programs, and other development initiatives. Compensation and rewards. Performance management is often linked to compensation and rewards. Oracle Fusion Talent Management enables organizations to tie performance ratings to compensation decisions, ensuring that high performers are appropriately rewarded for their contributions. Integrating Oracle Fusion Talent Management with other systems. APIs, Application Programming Interfaces. Oracle Fusion Talent Management provides RESTful APIs that allow for seamless integration with other systems. These APIs enable communication between different software applications, allowing data to be exchanged and processes to be automated. Middleware solutions. Middleware platforms like Oracle Fusion Middleware or third-party solutions such as MuleSoft can be used to facilitate integration between Oracle Fusion Talent Management and other systems. These platforms provide tools and frameworks for connecting disparate systems and orchestrating data flow between them. Data synchronization. Integration can involve synchronizing data between Oracle Fusion Talent Management and other HR systems such as payroll, performance management, learning management, and recruitment systems. This ensures that employee information is consistent across all systems and eliminates the need for manual data entry. Custom integrations. In some cases, custom integrations may be necessary to meet specific business requirements. This involves developing custom scripts or applications that connect Oracle Fusion Talent Management with other systems using APIs or other integration methods. Identity management. Integrating Oracle Fusion Talent Management with identity management systems such as Active Directory or LDAP, Lightweight Directory Access Protocol, can streamline user authentication and access control processes. Career opportunities in Oracle Fusion Talent Management. Oracle Fusion Talent Management offers a range of career opportunities for individuals with various skills and expertise. Here are some potential career paths within Oracle Fusion Talent Management. Implementation Consultant. Implementation consultants are responsible for deploying Oracle Fusion Talent Management solutions for clients. They work closely with clients to understand their requirements, configure the system, and ensure a smooth transition to the new platform. Functional analyst. Functional analysts specialize in understanding the business processes and requirements of clients. They work closely with stakeholders to gather requirements, design solutions, and configure the Oracle Fusion Talent Management System to meet those needs. Technical consultant. Technical consultants focus on the technical aspects of Oracle Fusion Talent Management, such as system configuration, customization, integrations with other systems, and data migration. They have expertise in Oracle Fusion middleware and related technologies. HRIS, Human Resources Information System Analyst. HRIS analysts manage and maintain the Oracle Fusion Talent Management System within an organization. They provide support to end users, troubleshoot issues, and ensure the system is functioning effectively to meet the HR needs of the organization. Training and Development Specialist. Training and development specialists are responsible for designing and delivering training programs for end users of Oracle Fusion Talent Management. They ensure that users have the necessary skills and knowledge to utilize the system effectively. HR Business Partner. HR business partners leverage their understanding of both HR processes and technology to align Oracle Fusion Talent Management with the strategic goals of the organization. They work closely with HR leaders and other stakeholders to drive adoption and maximize the value of the system. Change Management Consultant. Change management consultants focus on helping organizations manage the people side of change when implementing Oracle Fusion Talent Management. They develop change management strategies, communication plans, and training programs to ensure a smooth transition and user adoption. Project Manager. Project managers oversee the implementation of Oracle Fusion Talent Management projects from initiation to completion. They are responsible for planning, coordinating, and managing resources to ensure that projects are delivered on time, within budget, and according to specifications. Best practices for using Oracle Fusion Talent Management. Oracle Fusion Talent Management offers a comprehensive suite of tools for managing various aspects of talent within an organization. Here are some best practices for effectively using Oracle Fusion Talent Management. Clear objectives. Clearly define your talent management objectives and align them with your organization's overall goals. Understand what you want to achieve with the system, whether it's improving recruitment, performance management, learning and development, or succession planning. Customization. Tailor Oracle Fusion Talent Management to fit your organization's specific needs. Customize workflows, forms, and processes to reflect your company's unique talent management practices and requirements. User training. Provide comprehensive training to users, including HR professionals, managers, and employees who will interact with the system. Ensure they understand how to use the various features and functionalities effectively. Data quality. Maintain data accuracy and consistency within the system. Regularly review and update employee information, performance evaluations, career goals, and other relevant data to ensure its reliability. Integration. Integrate Oracle Fusion Talent Management with other HR systems and enterprise applications, such as payroll, recruitment, and learning management systems. This integration facilitates seamless data flow and ensures consistency across different HR processes. Performance management. Implement a robust performance management process within Oracle Fusion Talent Management. Define clear performance goals, provide regular feedback, and conduct objective evaluations to assess employee performance accurately. Succession planning. Leverage Oracle Fusion Talent Management for succession planning to identify and develop future leaders within your organization. Identify high potential employees, assess their readiness for key roles, and create development plans to groom them for future leadership positions. Why choose ProExcellency for using Oracle Fusion Talent Management online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Oracle Fusion Talent Management online training can be a strategic decision for several reasons. Expertise. ProExcellency may have a team of experienced trainers who specialize in Oracle Fusion Talent Management. They likely possess in-depth knowledge of the software, its functionalities, and best practices in talent management. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training program may cover a wide range of topics within Oracle Fusion Talent Management, ensuring that participants gain a thorough understanding of the software and its applications. Flexibility. Online training allows participants to access the course material from anywhere with an internet connection, making it convenient for professionals with busy schedules or those located in different time zones. Interactive learning. ProExcellency might offer interactive learning experiences, including virtual labs, case studies, and quizzes, to reinforce learning and ensure better retention of the material. Support. They may provide ongoing support to participants, allowing them to clarify doubts, seek guidance, and troubleshoot issues even after completing the training program. Certification. Completing training with ProExcellency may provide participants with a certification, which can enhance their credentials and demonstrate their proficiency in Oracle Fusion Talent Management to potential employers. Cost-effective. Online training often eliminates the need for travel expenses associated with traditional classroom training, making it a more cost-effective option for individuals or organizations. Thank you.